Welcome to my video. Today we're going to be making a cheesecake. Let's get started with this video for today. We are going to be using the following ingredients: heavy cream, strawberry jello, blueberry jello. We're going to use cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla. In the description below, I also have a link of my digital course that I'm selling, and that course teaches you how to make money online and how to grow on your social medias, and also how you can sell digital products and also make money. This is a really good way how to make money on YouTube without yet being monetized. As you can see, I have less than 1,000 subscribers, but I'm getting paid because I'm selling this digital course. So this is a way that I'm being monetized in YouTube, is by selling these courses, while yet I'm still not monetized with the YouTube program. Let's continue with this video. So I already added the pink jello in one of the mix. Now I'm adding the blue jello in the other mix. So this is a no-bake cheesecake. You do not have to bake this dessert. So now that the mix is ready, we're first going to add the blue cheesecake at the bottom, and then we're going to add the pink one on top. Then we're going to place this in the refrigerator for a few hours, and then it's going to be ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let us know down in the comments what is your favorite dessert, and let us know where are you from.